Welcome to our channel He is to be Conquered. Written by Adapa Ramakrishna. This is a long poem originally written in Telugu. Title Vadini Gyanchali. Translated from Telugu to English by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. Adapa Ramakrishna received an award for his writing to his credits. He is to be Conquered. Long poem by Adapa Ramakrishna. English version by Dr. P. Ramesh Narayan. His Excellency, lead this movement, take it further, as it has major, very major and prominent role in the fight against corruption and black money. To me, each and every individual involved in this mission constitutes a new anti-corruption cadre in the country. In a way, you are a soldier in the cause of cleanliness and purity. When the head rises, he imposes external sleep, black market, deal in the state bungalow. He will not count time for black money. A talkative financial figure of deceit, a kingmaker cheating in crores from the bedroom to the end of the globe, from street corner to all around the world, the one who busy in the World Trade Center. His eventful entity is an autocracy. His logic is always suspicious. An expertise in green hunt, top ranker in the thorny path. Those who revolt should punish. The expected target must be attained, though all doors are remain closed, even if he finds a narrow space. Must achieve as much as possible. Globalization is a deceit. Privatization is a venomous, a ray of hope to the efficient one. In the background of revolt, so many dictates battles, all treacherous acts have become an advantage. He is the total opportunist. Human values buried under near, contractors around in sessions, hunting middlemen in the agreements, understanding with multinationals. Charity is a new direction. Panchatantra had could not came to bumps. Climbing on the shoulders of big bargains, hiding under one umbrella. Performing feats of contrasting signals, secret deals under the dark shade, follow the black door business methods. Market is one magical broker. Price ticker changes in the bat of an eyelid, entering deep down like a sand train. Planting the environment, pouring down the poisonous chemical, fully support to the damage of life, wrong diagnosis with carelessness, submitting bills in lakhs and lakhs, crushing out breath so casualty, just like the life of an and tundi the foot. To the corrupt muzzle grains, there is no sense of time or place forever, slate or crayon thrown out. Please subscribe our channel He is to be Conquered. Long poem. To listen further our long poem, please click on our YouTube channel He is to be Conquered Part 7.